What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right now, we are going to do some window shopping. All right, I already went out of control yesterday. All right, the cart was like $1,600, you guys. So I put a lot of stuff to the save for later pile. So we are going to get into it. Today is the last day, and for Prime Big Deal Days is 6 hours left, you guys. We have 6 hours left. So we have until 2 o'clock to make our final decision before the prices go back to regular. All right. So from what I have been seeing, there has been some deals on some products. So let's go ahead. We're going to click on Prime Big Deal Days and we are going to start doing some window shopping again. Now, to narrow our search, we are going to just go ahead. So what I usually do is shop for tools and home improvement. This is the first thing I shop for. All right. So we click on that and here are the things that pop up. So once again, we have the Govee lights, and you guys, it just is what it is. The Govee lights is under tools and home improvements. So, for the people that say, "Oh, why do you review Govee lights?" It's under tools and home improvement stuff, so it's part of a home improvement. So yeah. Anyways, we do have some nice Govee lights. Let's go ahead and click it real quick. All right. I know we're gonna get to the tools, you guys, but I'm just looking right now. All right, these new tower lights look pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. $60. You got one over here. It's $54. Not bad. They do have some nice deals. 16 foot for $21, and it's connected to your Alexa. That's pretty nice. I like these little steak ones. Little Halloween. It says outdoor Halloween